time you go to film the popping, guess what happens? It pops when you're not filming. We have a freezer full of berries, so I gotta be making all of this stuff. For me, 4 inches just ain't thick enough right now. Today we're making blueberry jam. It's that time of year. And it's starting to get cold outside, and you gotta be canning everything to make room in your freezers for all the fish that you're gonna get this winter while you're ice fishing. Blueberry jam. So what's in here, you might ask? 6 cups of blueberries, 3 cups of sugar, and a package of pectin. If your pectin is not setting correctly, you can always add another pack, or you can also use a package of Jell-O. I did not use the Jell-O this time. We are setting pretty good here. And I got my jars and my lids and my funnel and my ladle all sterilizing. And let's throw the rings in there too. Here's another way that you can thicken your jam. Just add a little bit of water into a cup and mix a couple tablespoons in there, and then put it right into your jam. And I just leave a 1/2 inch headspace. Get your sterilized lid on and your ring, finger tight, and into the canner. And we gotta get some more water in here so that our lids are all covered. Lids are covered. We're gonna turn up our element here to 7.5, 8, and we're gonna water bath can for about 15 to 20 minutes. And Alex is gonna lock out because I got enough here left over to go into the fridge. I'm using my Presto pressure canner to do my water bathing just because I have my other pot occupied. And one thing that you will need, okay, even if you are just using like a regular pot, you do need something in the bottom of your pot just to create a barrier between your jars and the bottom of the pot, because you risk having them explode. So I do have one down there that came with my Presto. Alright, it's time to get our jars out in 20 minutes. You're gonna need a jar lifter. And sort of a cooling rack or a towel on your counter will do just fine. And get your jars on there. I'm hearing popping already. And now normally when I do jam, I don't water bath can. I kind of rebel can it. But we're playing by the rules today. And so what do we get here? There we go. There's a pop. Success. So with the 6 cups of fruit, 3 cups of sugar, the pectin, I actually got more than I thought. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jars, almost 8 jars. And the recipe says it's usually 6. So we got a little bit of a bonus and everything's popping down. Woohoo! I actually think it's a better way to water bath can as opposed to rebel can, because they pop down a lot faster. Let me hear it pop. Let me hear it pop. Yeah, so just a quick one today, folks. Jam. I have to get an order ready of preservatives for my friend Lois for Christmas. So different preservatives that I have, and eventually I will have a pantry tour. I just have a lot more canning that I want to get done before I actually film it. And some of it does need to be legitimately organized a little bit better. Plus I need one more shelf. So I will have a pantry tour this winter, probably in a few weeks. I just got to get on all this canning. So my goal is to can all that I can for a week straight. So I will bring you along for that as well. Thank you for watching. Quick one today. jam, simple jam. Follow the recipe. You really can't screw it up. Have a great day. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. I legit, we have a freezer full of berries, so I gotta be making all of this stuff. We gotta free up some freezer space. All the berries that we picked in the summer, amazing, incredible. And I'm due for another batch of Haskap berry jam. And if you don't know, if you're new here, we have a mini orchard on our new 5 acres. So I'm super happy that we're gonna be able to get out there very soon to be doing some winter burning and tree cutting, all the dead stuff that needs to just go. That's what the plan is for the winter, to get out there and do those things. And then we're going to be doing more fruit trees out there. We got the tiny house stuff happening, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to have quite a bit of new videos up on the channel. And I like to mix it up too. And we're going to be doing some ice fishing very, very soon. As soon as the ice is a bit thicker, because for me, 4 inches just ain't thick enough right now. Stay tuned. Seal up, baby, seal up. Gotta make some labels too. Just go online, you can get some free printables and just stick them on the tops and make them look a little bit more professional. But it's gonna be awesome. Homemade blueberry jam, baby. Every time you go to film the popping, guess what happens? It pops when you're not filming. Does this happen to anyone else? Because it's like a legit thing. And then when your phone is so full, you can't wait for it to pop because you're running out of time on your phone. Just get the content off your damn phone. And I got the idea using my pressure canner as a water bath canner. Like, I know, it's like, why didn't I think of this before? It just makes sense. It's just like a super deep pot. You can fit a lot in there. I got my idea from Tony at our cabin in the woods. Great channel. Come out. He does all the things. Livestock, canning. Cool. Not too many dudes do canning. So, yeah. Thanks, Tony. Awesome.